Hi students, this is Pencilin, Assistant Professor, Perry Institute of Technology. In this video, I'll explain you B tree and B plus tree from subject Database Management System for second year, 4th semester students. So first I'll tell you what is indexing. Indexing, it is a data structure technique to efficiently retrieve records from the database file based on some attributes on which the indexing has been done. So you are going to retrieve data from the database. So indexing is of two types, single level indexing and multi-level indexing. Single level indexing is again categorized as primary indexing, secondary indexing and cluster indexing. Multi-level indexing is classified as B tree and B plus tree. So I'll tell you what is single level indexing. In single level indexing, the index file is directly connected to data file. The index file will be consisting of keys and the block pointer. This block pointer is directly connected to the data file. So this data file is again divided into as block pointer 1, block pointer 2 and block pointer 3. So here block pointer is directly connected to data file, that is block pointer directly pointing to the block, each block, so that you can retrieve data from the data file. So you call this as single level indexing. Multi-level indexing. Multi-level indexing also consists of index file with keys and block pointer. The block pointer is not directly connected to the data file, so in between it has different levels like internal node, leaf node. So if you want to retrieve data from the data file, the data file sent to the leaf node is sent to the internal node, then it will come to the block pointer. Here it consists of different levels, so you call this as multi-level indexing. So now we'll see what is B tree with an example. So B tree, it is the fast access of the data and to store the records in a disk. That is, you're going to retrieve records from disk to database. So here are some points about B tree. So at every level we have key and data pointer, that is block pointer. So data or block pointer, it will be actually pointing to either block or record which you want to retrieve from the database. So now let's see what happens with the B tree of order m. Every node has at most m children. A non-leaf node with k children contains k minus 1 keys. The root has 2 children if it is not a leaf node. Every leaf node except root has at least m by 2 children. All leaves appear in the same level. Now let's see the example for B tree with order 4, that is degree is 4. The maximum number of children should be 4, and the number of keys, that is m minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, and minimum number of children, that is CEL of m by 2, 4 by 2, that is 2. Minimum number of keys is, the formula is CEL of m by 2 minus 1, that is CEL of 4 by 2 minus 1, that is 1. So now we are going to insert keys, that is example 10. The keys are 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 30, 35, 5, 15. So first I'll insert 3 keys as a node, root node. So I'm taking 10, 20, 40. The node is full, so we are going to split it as 40 as the root node. So remember always, the left side of the root node should be lesser than the root node and right side of the root node should be greater than the root node. So I'm going to split 40 at the left node, 10 and 20, which is lesser than 40, and greater greater than 40 is 50, 60 and 70. So here the node is fill. So we are going to shift 70 to the root. Now the root node will be 40, 70. Again we are going to split it. The left side will be 10, 20, 30. This 30. And the right side will be 50, 60. The right side of the root node will be 80. So next we are going to insert 35. 35. Here the root node, here the node is fill, 10, 20, 30, the node is fill. So the 35 should be inserted at the right side of this, at the left side of this 40. So here we are going to move this 30 to the root. So now the root node will be 30, 40, 70. I'm going to insert 10, 20, 35 at the right because 35 is greater than 30. And at the right side of the 40 you have 50, 60 because it is greater than 40. And the right side of the 70 you will be we are going to insert 80. So next we are going to insert 5. So just we'll insert 5 here. So if we insert 5 here, the node is full. 5, 10, 20, the node is full. So next to 5 we are going to insert 15. So we are going to make 15 as a root node. Again split it. So 15 as a root node. At the left side you will be having 5, 10. At the right side you will be having the 20. And this side you will be having 30, 40, 70 as a root. So same split ups. Left side lesser, that is 20. And the right side 35. And greater than 40 is 50, 60. And greater than 70 is 80. So now the root node is full. So again you are going to split this. So here we are going to move this 40 as a root. So 40 as a root node, and the left side of the 40 you will be having the lesser keys, and the right side you will be having the greater keys. So 15, 30 as a root node, and at the left side of this 15 and 30 root you will be having the 5, 10, and right side to 15 you will be having 30, and right side to 30 you will be having 35. So here you will be having the 70 as a root node. So 50, 60 at the left and 80 at the right. So this is your this is the final B tree. Of this example. So this is another example of B tree. So I am going to take 5, 8, 9, 20, 30, 15, 16, 14, 13, 31, and the order is 3. So the maximum number of children will be 3, and maximum number of keys will be 3 minus 1, that is 2. Minimum number of key will be seal of m by 2 minus 1, that is seal of 3 by 2 minus 1, that will be 1. Minimum number of childs will be m by 2, that is 3 by 2 is 2. So now I am going to insert 5, 8, 9 as a root node. So here you should have the maximum number of keys should be 2. Split up. So here you are going to take 8 as a root node. So lesser at the left side and greater at the right side. So lesser of 8 is 5 greater of 8 is 9. Second, next step, you're going to insert 20. So where am I going to insert? So here I'm going to insert in 9 in this right side node. So I have inserted 20 here. So you should have maximum 2 key value. So next you are going to insert 30. So you cannot insert 30 here. So you are going to do again a split up. That is, you are going to move the key 20 to the root. So this is here, the step is here, insert 30. So 8, 20 as the root, and at the left side of 8 you will be having 5, and right side you will be having 9. And again the greater number of 20 is 30. The next step, you are going to insert 15. So where am I going to insert 15 is here, because it is greater than 8. So now 15 is inserted here, 9 comma 15. So next you are going to insert 16. So you have to insert 16 in this node, but the node is full. So you are going to move 15 to the root. So see here, the next step, insert 16. So the root node should have maximum number of keys should be 2, but here it has 3, so this is wrong. So we are going to do the split up. So we are going to make 15 as the root node. So left side will be 8 and the right side will be 20. Again the split up, 8 as a root node, left side will be the smaller number of 8, that is 5, and right side will be the greater number of 8, that is 9, and this side 20, lesser is 16 and greater is 30. So next we are going to insert 14. So insert 14. Fourteen is going to be inserted here at the right side of 8. So 9 comma 14. So next you are going to insert 13. So 13 also should be inserted in this node. So 9, 13, 14. The node is full. So shift 13 as the root, as a root node. And the next step is here. Next you are going to insert, that is 15, 8, 20. So 13 is inserted as a root node. And the left side is 9 and the right side is 14. So here you have to write it in the ascending order. So if you want to insert 13, you have to write it in the ascending order, and you have to move the middle element as a root. The next step is you're going to insert 31. So 31 is inserted. At this node. So this is the final B tree. So next we'll see B plus tree in DBMS. What is B plus tree? A B plus tree, it is a balanced binary search tree that follows a multi-level index format. It is one of the multi-level index format. The leaf nodes of a B plus tree denote actual data pointers. It ensures that all leaf nodes remain at the same height, that is balanced. Leaf nodes are linked using linked list. B plus tree can support random access as well as sequential access. So next we'll see the characteristics of B plus tree. Data records are only stored in leaves. Internal nodes stores just keys. So here is the example. Internal nodes has the keys tree 5, and this is the leaf nodes. Leaf nodes are interconnected using the linked list for faster access. The key values are used for direct search so that you can retrieve the value easily. This is the example for B plus tree. The keys are 2, 4, 7, 10, 17, 21, 28. So first let me take the first three keys, 2, 4, 7. So the node is full. I'm going to do the split up. I'm going to insert 10. So I'm going to make 4 and 7 as a root, and the lesser key at the left side, and the right side you can have greater than or equal to keys. That is 4, again 4, because greater than or equal to can be included at the right side. So on the right side of the 7 you will be having 7, 10, and then I'm going to insert 17 also. So here the node is full. So again the split up, I'm going to move 10 as a root node. Then I'm going to insert 21. So 4, 7, 10 are the root nodes, but the node is full. So here at the left side of the root, 4 you have 2, right side you have 4, and the right side of 7 you will be having 7, and the right side of the 10 you will be having 10, 17, 21. So here the node is full, so the in between value is moved as the root node. So the next step, you are going to insert 21. So 21 is inserted here. So now 7 will be the root node, and the left side will be 4 and 10 and 17 at the right side, because in the previous step the node is full, so we are going to move 17 as a root. So now 4, 2, and right side of the root node 4 is 4, and the left side of this 10 is 7, and right side is 10, 10 is 10, and the right side of this 17 is 17, 21, 28. So in B plus tree, all the actual data pointers will remain at the leaf nodes, that is 2, 2, 4, 7, sorry, that is 2, 4, 2, 4, 7, 10, 17, 21, 28. So all the data pointers, the keys will remain at the leaf nodes, and they are connected using the linked list. So this is B plus tree. Thank you.